How was work today?
Boring.
What about your colleagues? Did you finally talk to them?
No.
Why not? Now you're just like not talking to me at all? Is it a job? Do you need a different job? Is this apartment too small for you? Too big for you?
Do you not hear that?
Hear what? Are you okay? Are you looking at that smoke detector up there? Like,
How do you know it's a smoke detector?
because it is a smoke detector.
Show me a paper where it's written this is a smoke detector.
My family that lives here is having the exact same smoke detector.
I don't believe you.
You are just being a diva right now. I'm sorry, but maybe you were never normal. Maybe I just imagined it.
Can you hear it? This is what I have to live with every single day.
What are you talking about?
This noise that you keep ignoring.
I'm not ignoring anything. This thing? So if we have smoke in here or fire, it just like,
Why
you know,
do we have smoke or fire in here?
If
Are you trying to set this place on fire? Is that what you're telling me?
No, but if you cook something, I'm sure it will be set on fire because like your cooking skills are terrible.
My mom tells me I'm a very good cook.
Your mom tells you. Your mommy. When did you last make a meal? When was that? I'll tell you. Never. You never cooked for me.
Smoke detector looks different. Aliens.
Is this why you're being so mentally crazy today? Like,
Are you an alien?
aliens don't even exist.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
See?
What? See what?
You broke it.
I didn't do anything. I was
Why
standing.
did you break it?
I don't think this is gonna work out.
Huh. Interesting.
I don't know what to say. I'm leaving. Bye-bye.
Brunch tomorrow, right?
Call your mom to cook a brunch for you.